Another trip out to the barn.
Breezy day.
Yeah, it's breezy here.
This is what's going to dry up the mud, is all this.
I know.
More
This
sawdust
wind.
here.
Hey, honey,
Yeah.
we're going to get the silkies.
Yes.
Can you show me where we're going to build the, or where they're going to be? Or you still working on it?
Well, see the guinea hens were in, they're setting in eggs.
Yep. Oh, that's where they're going to be?
And the barn that the quail are in, that's where they're going to be roosting in.
Oh, that's where silkies are going to be?
Laying hens are going to be on
Okay. I'm trying to figure out where they're going to be. Okay.
either that or they're going to be where the geese are.
Okay. Just curious.
Speaking of which, we got to see if there's any eggs.
Yeah, I was seeing if we
We
could.
still got snow on the roof.
Oh, yeah. It's windier than I thought out here. Look at that.
Well, this will actually, if it's a warm wind, it also helps melt the snow and it also dries up the mud.
Oh, cool.
That's why you need the wind. Everybody hates the wind, but
Oh, it's like.
after a good heavy winter, you really need some wind.
True. Hey, Gander. Here. Want to get potted? Well, I don't know. You're laying eggs. I don't know if I trust you. But she's one of your women out. Both of them are, actually. Hello, Gander. Well, I'm not going to make them pet you, but you look like your mouth is closed to mine. I don't want to get... I don't know if you ever got snipped by a goose. Don't feel too good. Okay. Get any eggs, babe? Did you get any eggs?
Yes.
How many are in there?
2.
So they're both laying?
Yeah, they both laid eggs today.
Oh, God. I'll show you the tool Clay built. Show them the tool you built.
So I don't have to kind of climb underneath. I got a big long plastic spoon. And I put 2 screws into a wooden handle. And you can reach down into the straw and move it around. And then you, instead of bending over, you can just scoop the egg up and put the egg right up to you. It works for chickens, goose, guineas, all kinds of eggs.
Can we put that in here? They're heavy eggs. Boy, those guys are loud today.
Have to make the cake.
Oh, yeah, goose egg cake.
Cake. Snow's almost done. Chickens can come out.
Oh, cool. You guys are crockety, huh?
Matter of fact, I probably could open it up.
Yeah, I'd probably like to get some.
Well, let's wait till the weather. Supposed to still be only in the 30s, so I'm just going to leave the one end of the barn open. I don't want to draft.
Yeah, they can go out the other end anyway.
The draft walker going through.
Yeah.
So we'll keep it closed till we get a good, till it stays in the 40s. Yes, Storm.
He wants his
hear
snack
you.
too. Everybody wants a snack.
Everybody wants something, don't they? Oh, girls. Laying any eggs? Laying any eggs, girls?
2 roosters are outside. The hens aren't as quick about being out, I noticed. No warmer in here, baby. I just have a sweater on today.
Nice wind block in here, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you ate up all your corn. Let me give you another scoop. You're pretty good about eating your corn. All right, quick to get it around there, guinea hens. Just eat it. You need to kick it around.
Okay, we're going to go back to the quail and...
Oh, I gotta have that bucket. Hang on, I want to dump that water.
Oops.
Whoop.
One person scooting back and forth here. Getting ready to clean the barn out too here. Whee, here we go. Okay, there's a red silkie. Gonna get some more women in here for you. Got a couple guys. Here's the quail.
Yeah, definitely gotta get this barn.
Yeah. It has to get done. This time of year, everything's got to get done. I'm spring cleaning inside. There's painting to do, everything.
A little everything everywhere that gotta be done. Alright. Get those empty. Let me get this in the part here.
Which is the house redone has to do with me moving here and taking the wallpaper off.
She stripped my walls!
I stripped the walls. It was weird to, I wanted it to be our house, and it was just just the way I was
I
raised.
had it all decorated.
In the 80s.
Well, I don't care.
Okay. Hey,
It suited me fine.
oh, look at them. Are you guys having a good time?
There you go, girls. Hang that up there for a minute. Let's get some more feed out here. I got one in the van. There you go, kids. Who's that eating Queequeg? Alright.
Okay, honey, will you get the eggs? I'm one-handed banded
Yep,
here.
just a second. Okay, there's 3.
Goose egg and...
There's 4 chicken eggs. That's a pretty good haul for only 5 chickens.
Sure enough is. Sure good looking eggs to me.
One
I'll
of them
tell
took
you
a
that.
vacation day.
Those eggs look good to me.
Okay, I gotta get out here with a good shovel and start getting this floor scraped up. Now that everything's thawed out.
Okay. Clay,
Yeah,
Storm needs a snack.
I gotta get out there, huh?
Oh, okay. I did bring him a bunch of treats. He had, I gave him some extra duck ears. Or I don't know what they are. They said duck something. And some kind of cheese snack. Got this huge thing of dog snacks. Hello there. Here we go. Hello there, chickapoos. Chickapoo, chickapoo. Oh, brr. It's cold. It's really not that cold. It's just a little windy. So, how do you like your new pad? You moved in, you got a bunch of girlfriends. And you got a safe roof over you, so the hawks can't get you. You got a snack?
Yeah, Motley's all fed.
Okay, I'm coming on in. That was part of Storm's snack. Yeah, I know the chicken's got some crackers too. I must have slipped out of my hand. I gave them snacks earlier.
Ate it.
Huh?
The new rooster ate it.
Did he eat it?
Yep.
The chickens eat about anything. Wow. How do you do there, Mr. Rooster? I love the roosters. I love the chickens. But it's the big old meltdown.
Yeah, just so he doesn't. If he hasn't got in the barn, he doesn't starve to death. I'll give him some.
He won't starve to death. He's been in the barn.
Has he been in the barn? Hard to say.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought he was.
Apparently not if he's after that hardcore.
Oh, okay. Maybe not.
We're gonna have to give him some supplements and
Aw.
the
Aw.
goose barn.
Was the other rooster not letting him in?
Well, the dominant one will probably keep him out.
Plus, he's used to living outside.
Yeah.
So he might not even know to go into a barn.
That's why I released him in the barn so he go in a
Yes. Will you hold the eggy thing for a second?
eggy thing.
The eggy thing. Here we go.
Fingers are cold. No,
Mine are too, so I'm rushing to go back in because
it's
my.
about 30.
It's not so cold. It's just that wind.
Wind makes it extra sun feels good.
Yeah, the sun. You're out for a while. The sun will hit you. It's just moving around. That wind gets you. Oh my goodness, honey! Look how low that snow is.
Yeah, it's down about 2 to 3 inches now.
That's how I clean my shoes. I got these.
Step in that barn, you got crap all over you.
And I mopped the floors like twice today too.
This time of year you're gonna mop a lot.
Well, I keep the mop like right near the door this time of the year. It's like everything keeps getting mopped. That's why I don't know. I don't like rugs on a farm. Needless to say. Okay, guys, going on in. The recycle guy has to get our recycles, and I guess I'm going to go inside and get some snows off the roof. It's Ruthie and Clay from the Purple Backyard Farm. I'm going inside to get warm and to take off my shoes and to get warm. There's a hole in my floor. Clay's going to have to redo the floor. There's a hole on the floor.
That's where the dog.
That's where my dog had anxiety attacks.
Bubble wrap?
I know, because I thought it might keep things cleaner.
Alright, here's your eggs. Bubble wrap will keep them cleaner.
Just for today.
Alright, kick my shoes off.
We'll see you in our next video as we take off our shoes. Really, seriously, my dog had an anxiety attack one
And
time.
he tore my tile up. Now I gotta redo the kitchen floor.
That's alright. He had fun doing it.
Yeah, well, it was a lot of fun redoing it.
Okay, guys, we'll see you in the next video. God bless. Have a wonderful day.